Former Minister Johnston appeared before the Criminal Investigation Department this morning to provide a statement. Previously, when he sought anticipatory bail from the court, it was noted that he needed to provide a statement to the CID before the request could be considered. Accordingly, Fernando arrived at the CID today and was questioned for over 4 hours. Following this, he was taken into custody and presented before Magistrate Tanuja Lakmali. During the court proceedings, detectives requested that bail not be granted to the suspect, citing that the investigation is still in its preliminary stages.
That's part of it. Oh, නැවතත් ආයේ ඒක
පරිසම්නා කියලා කියන්නේ
කවුද ජයග්‍රහණය කළේ?
සත්‍ය ජයග්‍රහණය කරන්නේ.
ඔව්. ඒක
සත්‍ය මොකද්ද?